pack is only 0.25 cent, which is Hello ladies and gentlemen, on the way we just stopped for canned juice, which is I show you how they produce it. So firstly they just take it from like a cane plant, and then they take all the skin out, so they unpeel the skin, and then after that they used to put in it to a condensing machine to get all this juice water. So as you can see here, it's very delicious and very good quality. Thank you, enjoy my drink. Không, chắc ăn tích đấy. Ở đây tích. Ăn tích. Ở đây không lần. Bay, là bay. Man, juice water. So as you can see here, it's very delicious and very good quality. For this kind of pack, it's only 0.25 cent. Which is very cheap, 500 real in Cambodia. Thank you, enjoy my drink.